What if I told you getting rich is not about luck, talent, or even hard work, but a science that guarantees results? Stay with me because this idea can completely change how you see money forever. So, hello everyone, welcome back to our magical life. In the last video, we discovered something powerful, isn't it? You have the right to rich. But today's chapter goes even deeper. It reveals a truth that most people never realize. There is a science to getting rich. Think about this. In mathematics, if you follow the formula correctly, you always get the right answer. 2 plus 2 will never suddenly become 5, isn't it? So, what author says here is that wealth works the same way. There are exact laws, and if you follow them, you will get rich with certainty. Not maybe, not sometimes, but consistently you will get the results. Now let me ask you something. If getting rich was about luck, talent, or working harder than everyone else, then why do we see people working extremely hard still struggling for money? And talented people are still broke, and average people become wealthy. Something doesn't add up, right? So, here is the answer. People who get rich do things in a certain way. That's it. Not more effort, not more struggle. Just a different way of thinking and acting. And those who don't follow this way, no matter how hard they try, they stay stuck. So let us break down some illusions quickly. It's not your environment that make people rich. We can see rich and poor people live in the same cities, isn't it? And it is not the talent that makes people rich. We can see even highly skilled people often stay broke. Similarly, it is not your hard work alone that make people rich. We can see two people work equally hard, but only one succeeds. Similarly, it is not saving money that makes you rich. We can see some savers stay poor and some spenders get rich. So, what is left? The way people do things is that which makes people rich. What if the only thing standing between you and the wealth is not your situation, but the way you are doing things right now? Now, here is the best part of this chat. This certain way is learnable. You don't need a high IQ to learn this, and you don't need any specific skill to learn this, and you don't need any perfect conditions to learn this. If you can understand simple ideas, you can apply this science as well in your life. Most people say, I will start when I have a capital. But the author says that you don't need money to start. Money comes because you start. Even if you are broke, or even if you are in debt, or even if you are stuck in the wrong job, you can begin right where you are. When you start applying the right way, opportunities begin to appear. Resources begin to come and things slowly start shifting, and step by step wealth builds. Here is something you need to hear. If someone else in your city or in your job, similar job, or your business is getting rich, then it is possible for you also to do the same, isn't it? Because they are not using any magic. They are following certain principles. They are following certain rules. And now the most powerful line of this chapter is that if you follow the exact rules or exact principles, you cannot fail, because like every science, the right cause will always produce the right effect. So the message of this chapter 2, is very clear. Wealth is not a luck. Wealth is not because of the talent alone. Wealth is a science. And once you learn it, your life will never look the same again. So this is lesson number 2. Finally, let us see the powerful teachings of this chapter. Number 1, wealth creation follows exact laws. Getting rich is not random. It follows certain principle or certain universal laws. Just like mathematics, when you apply the right formula, results are certain. Number 2, success comes from a certain way. Wealth is the result of doing things in a specific way, repeatable way. Those who follow this phase always move forward in success. Number 3, cause and effect guarantees the result. The principle of life is that same actions will lead to same results. If you apply the same method as successful people do, you will achieve similar outcomes. Number 4, environment. Your environment does not decide your wealth. Rich and poor people exist in the same location and the same conditions. Your surroundings may influence you, but they do not control your financial destiny. Number 5, talent is not the key to wealth. Many talented people still struggle financially. Many average individuals become wealthy. Wealth depends on the method, not the ability. Number 6, hard work alone is not enough. Effort without the right approach leads to limited results. It is not about working harder, it is about working in the right way. Number 7, saving money alone doesn't make you rich. Extreme saving does not guarantee wealth. True wealth comes from creating and expanding the value, not just conserving the money. Number 8, anyone can learn to get rich. You don't need any specific intelligence or background or any talent. If you can understand and apply certain principles, you can succeed. This is what author is giving here. Number 9, you can start where you are. You don't need any perfect condition to begin. Your current job, situation, and location are enough to start the process. Number 10, lack of capital is not a limitation. Money is not required to begin the journey. Capital is created as a result of applying the right principles here. Number 11, wealth is possible in any field. Every profession and business has opportunities for success. The key is not what you do, but how you do it. Number 12, if others can succeed, so we can also succeed. If someone else in your environment is getting rich, it proves that the opportunity exists, the method works. You can replicate it by learning the right way. Number 13, right method matters more than action. Two people can do the same work, but the one applying the certain way gets result. Subtle differences in thinking and approach changes everything. Number 14, wealth is a learnable skill. Getting rich is not a mystery. It is a skill that can be learned and mastered. Anyone willing to study and apply can achieve financial success. Number 15, progress happens step by step. Wealth does not appear instantly. It grows gradually as you apply the right principles, recognize the right opportunities, and take actions, aligned actions. Number 16, you are not stuck. Even if you are in the wrong job, place, or situation, you can change it. You can grow beyond it. The starting point is changing your way of doing the things or following certain principles. Number 17, the process works universally. The same principles applies to everyone and everywhere. This is why it is called a science. Number 18, the power is in your hands. Your financial future is not controlled by external factors. It is determined by your choice, thinking, and actions. So the core insight from this chapter is that wealth is not reserved for the lucky or gifted people. Okay, it is the result of understanding and applying the right principle consistently. When you align with these laws or the principles, success becomes inevitable. Guys, this is lesson number 2. In the next video, we will uncover why this science actually works, and it might surprise you. If this opened your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone you need this shift. And remember, you don't need to wait for a perfect time. You can start right now. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing, keep learning, and keep creating your magical life. Thank you. Thank you, guys.